Developer previews, beta ROMs, and port ROMs are risky to flash. Proceed at your own risk. Hey everyone, this is the Android Sapien. So today we are gonna check out Android P on Mi A1. This is a developer preview ported unofficially from Google Pixel before the official release of the source code. So this is going to be really exciting. So let's get started. You guys might be wondering how a non-Pixel device has a developer preview running before release. Well, all of this has been possible because of Project Treble. With Project Treble, the vendor, that is the SoC manufacturer, has to poke their nose into the update. Their previous implementation works for next updates too. So Google Pixel supports Project Treble. So with a little tweak, we have Android P up and running. So firstly, this is the beautiful Android P animation. We can see that the hardware is listed as Mi A1. The ROM may be a little unstable and has some bugs, but it is perfect as a daily driver. We have got the system UI changes and the gesture navigation. We have got these round notifications also. All looks great on the Mi A1 with Android P. The ROM is really usable. With the new gestures, we can multitask very easily using that pill at the bottom. You can also notice the new app opening animations, which looks great. The volume control has default media volume and also has changed its position. So let me show you the light theme. I have switched it to dark. Light theme, everything is white, which was previously black. I like the dark theme, so I'll change it. Everything is way smooth and faster with Android P. App open fast, and we also have this rotation settings where if you have accidentally rotate your device and you do want to rotate the screen, then you can click on that button that appears on the navigation bar and you can switch it back the same way. Battery life is really awesome. It is really awesome on Android P due to the adaptive battery feature, or it may also be because of the kernel I am using on this ROM. But it is great for a full day usage with our 3000 mAh battery. I have the stock cam and the Google camera also installed. They are also working fine. Now the 4G VoLTE is also working. So mainly there are no bugs except for the OK Google voice command is not working. It doesn't work for me, however they have a fix for that, but it is not working for me. But that's not such a major issue. You can expect little bugs. You should expect little bugs because this is the developer preview and then it is ported, so it is buggy. So let's see what you need to do to get this Android P developer preview on your Mi A1. So the installation procedure has two steps. Firstly, the project Rebel is not supported officially by the Mi A1, so you need to trivialize your device. That is, you have to repartition it to make space for the vendor partition. What it does, it takes space from your user data, which is about 54 or 55 GBs. It will take some space from that. It will not affect, it is not that big partition, and it will use it as the vendor partition, where the vendor image is flashed and the system image is flashed in the system partition as always. So for the first step, you need to trivialize your device. You have to unlock the bootloader. The detailed procedure for unlocking the bootloader is in description down below. Check it out from there. Next, you need to install TWRP. It also is a two-step process. It is given in the description. And we have a sort manager in that TWRP. From there you have to trivialize. All the instructions are there in the description. So the next step is installing the Android P. Yes, we are finally doing it. So you have to flash the vendor image in the vendor partition and the system image in the system partition. After that, you have to mount the vendor partition from the mount option in the TWRP. You have to flash post GSI 1 and 2. These are two zip files. The download link is in the description to all the files, the vendor image, system image, and these post GSIs. You can download them from there. And I recommend you Moon kernel because I am using it and it gives awesome battery life. So use it only. And there is a special Magisk version for this if you want root, or if you don't want, this is optional, you don't need to flash it. But if you are flashing Magisk, then you have to flash the specific version, Magisk 16.7. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then hit the like button and do subscribe to the Android Sapien.